500 important English sentences.
He's been working tirelessly on this project. The results exceeded our expectations. I'm really proud of what we've accomplished. She's been involved in several community projects. The new policy has been met with mixed reactions. He's been trying to improve his communication skills. The company is launching a new product next month. I've been thinking about starting my own business. She's been nominated for an award. The project has faced several setbacks. I'm eager to learn more about the subject. He's been training for the marathon for months. The event was a huge success. I'm confident that we'll achieve our goals. She's been working on a novel in her spare time. The team has made significant progress. I'm impressed by your dedication to the project. He's been exploring new career opportunities. The presentation was well received by the audience. I'm optimistic about the future of the company. She's been advocating for social justice for years. The product has been gaining popularity. I'm committed to making this project a success. He's been working on improving his fitness. The company has been expanding rapidly. I'm grateful for your support throughout this process. She's been researching the topic extensively. The new initiative has been a game changer. I'm impressed by the level of detail in the report. He's been focused on achieving his goals. The project has been in the works for months. I'm excited to see the final product. She's been a key player in the team's success. The event has been postponed until further notice. I'm looking forward to the next phase of the project. He's been mentoring new employees. The company has been investing in new technology. I'm confident that we're on the right track. She's been leading the team with great success. The product has received rave reviews. I'm excited about the possibilities this opens up. He's been working on a new marketing strategy. The project has been a learning experience for everyone involved. I'm proud to be a part of this team. She's been balancing work and family responsibilities effectively. The company has been recognized for its innovation. I'm eager to see where this leads. He's been contributing valuable insights to the discussion. The event was well organized and attended. I'm committed to continuous improvement.